Hi and welcome. This is stage 2 of your interview. Moving to resume and interviewers' questions. Here, they need to check your ability and your fitness for the job role and fitness for the culture of the company. Here, you will take the recruiters to your resume and you will answer of the all questions of recruiters. Now, taking interviewers to your resume, you need to do two things. Number one, present your resume with your responsibilities and show your achievements in numbers and data. Present your skills and aligning them to need of the company and present your solutions. And second is show your fitness that you are right fit for the job role, you are right fit for the culture of the company, and convince them that your skills can fulfill the requirements of the job role. Now I have a framework for answering these questions. So first of all, you need to show your responsibilities and your task you have done during your previous company or your previous volunteering or internship. Show your achievements in numbers and data and convince them how these can fulfill the requirements of the job role as per the JD and your research about the company and job role. For example, first of all, you show that my responsibilities are this, aligning to the JD and requirement. And after that, tell them I do this work and just go to your resume and present that step by step. And show your results and impacts. Show your results and impacts in numbers and data and what benefits you have made to the company. Now we have some questions during the interview. So these are three types of questions. Type 1, common questions. Type 2, behavioral questions. Type 3, technical questions that are related to your domain. For type 1 questions, generally these are common questions and asked by the HR. So during these questions, they just want to check your personality, your communication, your mindset, and your fitness for the job role and culture of the company. For these questions, you can download top 10 interview questions and unique answers by clicking the link below. You have a PDF. This will help a lot to give the answers of the most of the questions. Now, these are type 2 questions. These are behavioral or critical questions or situational based questions. So we have a different technique to answer these kind of questions. This is STAR technique. We will understand in later on. And type 3 questions, these are technical or domain related questions. For that, you need to prepare and practice accordingly to your domain and industry. So now this is your assignment. Read the JD and your resume. Practice 5 times to present your resume, aligning the required skills and solutions. And list down your domain related questions and practice to present them. And I see you in the next lesson, in which we will cover stage 3 and stage 4, and we will cover presenting your PPT on your customized solutions and your questions as a candidate. See you there. Thank you.